Elon Musk was once the world's richest man, but now his net worth is crashing. What's behind it, and is his empire finished? In March 2025, Tesla's stock dropped 15% in a day, cutting $29 billion from Musk's fortune, according to Bloomberg. By April, Forbes listed him at $337.7 billion, a $121 billion fall from December's $458 billion peak. Tesla's shares had already slid 45% since late 2024. Markets buzzed, but was this just a slump or something more? Protests broke out at Tesla showrooms in Chicago and Austin. Tires were slashed, windows broken, anger sparked by Musk's open support for Trump's 2024 campaign. Minnesota Governor Tim Walz went on TV that March, grinning as he said, "Musk's electric dreams are short-circuiting. Good riddance to his overhyped junk." The jab spread fast online, stirring the pot. Musk sat in his Austin office, staring at falling stock charts, unease creeping in. Then a rumor surfaced in Silicon Valley. A rival had hacked Tesla's systems, leaking fake production data to tank the stock. Musk leaned forward, eyes on the screen, piecing it together. Real Cybertruck delays were already clogging factories. This felt different. Protesters shouted outside, their fury loud, his wealth draining billions. Was someone orchestrating this, or was it all coincidence? The stakes jumped quick. Musk's legacy teetered, his empire shaking. Walz's rude dig lingered, a thorn he couldn't ignore. Could he turn it around, or was this the fall? The world tuned in, tension building, a billionaire caught in a storm of truth and lies, ready to break or fight. Musk sat in his Austin office, the rumor of a rival's hack gnawing at him. Tesla's stock still reeling from the March 2025 crash. Protesters raged outside showrooms, their chants a constant drone, while real reports confirmed Cybertruck delays. Now 6 months behind per Reuters, costing Tesla millions daily. The company's market cap had shrunk by $500 billion since December 2024. A brutal fact Musk couldn't dodge. Walz's TV taunt replayed online, his smug, overhyped junk line a viral sting, and Musk felt the heat, his empire wobbling under scrutiny. He called a meeting, top engineers filing into a stark conference room, their faces tense. Musk stood, pacing, asking for updates on the production snags. One engineer admitted a system glitch had stalled the lines, but hesitated, hinting at something off, external tampering maybe. Musk stopped, eyes narrowing, the rumor clicking into focus. He told them to dig into the code, find proof, his voice steady but edged. The stakes personal now, a billionaire facing a hidden foe. Outside, the protests grew uglier. Real footage showing a Tesla store in LA trashed, spray paint reading "sellout" across the glass, tied to Musk's Trump ties, per CNN. Investors panicked, dumping shares, the stock sliding another 5% that week, slicing $15 billion more from his wealth. Musk scrolled X, his platform, seeing Walz's jab retweeted thousands of times. The governor doubling down in a follow-up interview, laughing as he mocked Tesla's woes. The insult burned, but the hack rumor burned hotter. Musk sat back, staring. At the ceiling, piecing it together, a rival out there, maybe even someone he knew, turning screws to break him. The engineers worked overnight, the room humming with tension, his fortune bleeding, the world watching. Could he prove the sabotage? Or was this just paranoia? The drama thickened, a titan cornered, his legacy on the line, the fight just starting. The Austin conference room buzzed as engineers dug into Tesla's systems, Musk watching from the corner. The hacked rumor now a live wire. Real Cybertruck delays had already cost millions. Reuters reporting a backlog of 1.2 million orders by April 2025, and the stock's 5% drop that week carved another $15 billion from his fortune, leaving him at $322.7 billion per Forbes. Protesters outside LA stores sprayed "traitor" on walls, their anger at his Trump support boiling over, CNN cameras rolling, amplifying the chaos. An engineer looked up, face pale, confirming a breach, fake data injected into production logs, crashing output numbers sent straight to Wall Street analysts. Musk leaned forward, asking who, his voice low, controlled. No answer yet, just traces, pointing offshore. A rival's fingerprints somewhere in the mess. He told them to keep digging, then stepped out. The weight of 136 billion lost since December pressing down, his empire fraying, Walz's overhyped junk taunt a bitter echo. The news hit X fast, Tesla's glitch leaking out, shares dipping. Another 3%, $10 billion gone in hours. Musk scrolled the platform, his own creation, seeing panic spread, investors bailing, protesters cheering. In Minnesota, Walz held a press conference, grinning as he twisted the knife, calling Musk's tech a house of cards on live TV, the crowd laughing, the jab raw, public, a governor reveling in the billionaire's stumble. Musk's jaw tightened. The insult landing hard, but the hack loomed larger. He called his security chief, ordering a sweep of Tesla's network, his mind racing to suspects. A rival CEO maybe, someone with a grudge and deep pockets. The engineers flagged a lead, a server in Singapore tied to a shell company. Musk sat still, staring at the data, the stakes spiking, his legacy dangling, a fight he couldn't lose. Could he nail the bastard behind this, or was the damage done? The tension coiled, a titan under siege, the drama escalating sharp and fast. The Singapore server lead burned in Musk's mind as he sat in his Austin office. Tesla's stock now down 48% from its 2024 high. Another $10 billion shaved off his wealth after the glitch leak, leaving him at $312.7 billion per Forbes. Real production lines stuttered, Reuters noting 200 Cybertrucks stalled daily, while protesters in Chicago torched a Tesla billboard, fury over his Trump ties blazing, caught on NBC. Walz's House of Cards dig replayed everywhere, a smug. Musk couldn't unhear. He stood up, calling his security chief for an update. The team traced the shell company to a name, Victor Chen, a fictional ex-Tesla exec turned rival, now running a stealth EV startup in Shenzhen. Musk remembered firing him in 2021 over a botched battery deal, the guy's grudge festering ever. Since, Chen had the know-how, the cash, and the motive to hack Tesla's grid. Musk told his crew to confirm it, his voice flat, the stakes glaring, a personal score settling into the fight. X lit up with fresh panic. Tesla's stock slipping 2% more, $7 billion gone. Investors spooked by the breach news. Musk watched the numbers drop, then saw Chen surface in a Shenzhen press event, unveiling a sleek EV prototype, smirking as he took veiled shots at Tesla's crumbling tech. The crowd clapped, the timing too perfect, Musk's gut twisting. Walz's taunts now a sideshow to this bigger threat. He dialed his legal team, ordering a case built fast. The security crew pulled logs, linking Chen's firm to the hack, evidence stacking up. Musk sat back, staring at the screen, the $143 billion he'd lost since December a scar, his empire shaking but not broken. Could he take Chen down and claw back, or was this rival about to bury him? The drama surged, a titan facing a ghost from his past, the fight turning brutal and real. Musk stared at the screen in his Austin office, Victor Chen's Shenzhen unveiling replaying. The rivals smirk a taunt as Tesla's stock bled another $7 billion, now at $305.7 billion per Forbes. Real Cybertruck delays worsened, Reuters reporting. 300 units stalled daily by April 2025, factories limping from the hack's fallout. Protesters hit Tesla's San Francisco store, smashing glass, their rage at Musk's Trump stance unrelenting, per ABC News. Walz's House of Cards jab faded behind Chen's bolder strike. He picked up the phone, legal team on the line, telling them to file against Chen's startup for data theft, his voice steady. The evidence from Singapore solidifying. Chen's EV prototype launch had spiked his firm's buzz, pulling Tesla investors, the stock dipping 4% more, $12 billion vanishing. Musk scrolled X, seeing Chen trend, analysts praising the rival's next-gen tech, a gut punch to Tesla's edge, his empire wobbling, the stakes brutal. The legal move leaked fast, X erupting, Tesla fans rallying, critics piling on. Chen fired back in a live stream, standing by his prototype, laughing as he said, "Musk's a has-been, clinging to a dying brand." The crowd roared, the insult. Sharp, public, a direct hit at a billionaire already reeling from a $155 billion loss since December. Musk watched, jaw set, then called his engineers ordering a fix for the production lines now or never. The team scrambled, tracing the hack's last threads, shutting it down, factories flickering back online. Musk stood, eyes on the horizon. Chen's face a target, the legal fight brewing, his wealth battered but his resolve kicking in. Could he crush this ghost and rise, or was Chen's blade too deep? The drama roared, a titan staring down a rival, the clash raw and personal. Tesla's factories hummed again in late April 2025. The hack shut down. Cybertrucks rolling out at 100 a day, Reuters confirming the uptick. But Musk's wealth still sat at $293.7 billion after Chen's blow. Per Forbes, $164 billion gone since December. Protesters eased off. San Francisco's smashed store quieting. ABC News shifting focus, though Musk's Trump ties lingered as a sore spot. Chen's live stream taunt, Musk's a has-been, looped online, a rude jab that stung, the rivals' EV buzz stealing Tesla's thunder. Musk stood in his Austin war room, legal team briefing him. The case against Chen filed in federal court, data theft claims backed by hard proof from Singapore. He nodded, telling them to push it fast. His voice calm, eyes fixed on a screen tracking Tesla's stock up 2%, a $6 billion bump, the first lift in weeks. Chen's startup scrambled, investors wavering as the lawsuit hit headlines, X buzzing with Tesla loyalists cheering, the tide shifting slow. Chen doubled down, flying to California, holding a press conference outside a Tesla plant, grinning as he waved a prototype key fob, claiming his tech would bury Musk's relics. Reporters lapped it up. The stock wobbled, dipping 1%, $3 billion lost. Musk watching from afar, his gut tight. Walz's old overhyped junk quip a faint echo to this louder threat. He called his PR crew, ordering a counter, something big, his empire clawing back. The team rolled out a Tesla event, live-streamed from Austin, Musk stepping on stage, unveiling a patched Cybertruck fix, production doubling to 200 daily, the crowd roaring, X lighting up, stock jumping 5%, $15 billion regained. Chen's smirk faltered in California, the legal noose tightening, Musk staring down his rival, the stakes personal, a billionaire fighting to his core. Could he turn the tables? Or was Chen still a step ahead? The drama peaked, a titan rising, the clash brutal and alive. The Austin livestream roared into May 2025. Musk on stage, Cybertrucks gleaming behind him, production hitting 200 a day, Reuters verifying the surge, his wealth climbing back to $308.7 billion per Forbes after a $15 billion boost. Chen's California press stunt faded, his fob-waving bravado drowned out. Tesla's stock soaring 7% that week, $21 billion regained, the $143 billion lost since December shrinking fast. Protesters scattered, ABC News moving on. Trump ties old noise now. Musk stepped off stage, legal team calling, Chen's startup reeling as the court froze its assets, the Singapore hack-proof airtight, judges siding with Tesla. He told them to bury it, his voice cool, eyes on X where fans hailed the comeback. Chen trending for the wrong reasons. The rival's EV prototype stalled, investors pulling out. His has-been torn to boomerang. Musk's event stealing the spotlight, the empire steadying. Chen lashed out, crashing a Tesla shareholder meet in Palo Alto, shoving through security, yelling in the lobby, "Musk's a fraud, his wins are smoke." Guards hauled him off, cameras flashing. The outburst live on X. Tesla stock wobbling 2%, $6 billion dipping, but rebounding fast as fans rallied. Musk unfazed, watching from Austin, Walz's overhyped junk jab, a distant laugh next to Chen's meltdown. He greenlit a new project, a Tesla battery breakthrough doubling down. The battery reveal hit days later, Musk unveiling it in Fremont, promising 50% more range, the crowd erupting, stock spiking 10%, $30 billion back, his wealth at $332.7 billion. Chen's firm crumbling, legal bills piling, the rival a ghost fading. Quick! Musk stood tall, eyes sharp, the hacker scar, the fight his fuel. Could he seal this, or was one last twist lurking? The drama crested, a titan reclaiming ground, the clash raw and won. The Fremont battery reveal echoed into June 2025. Musk's new tech pushing Tesla's stock up 10%, his wealth hitting $332.7 billion per Forbes, $30 billion clawed back, the $121 billion loss from December now a memory. Chen's startup buckled, caught seizing its Shenzhen HQ. The hack case closed, Tesla's $500 billion market cap dip reversed, Reuters noting Cybertruck orders surging past 1.5 million. Protesters vanished, Trump ties buried, Walz's overhyped. Junk quip a forgotten jab. Musk walked the factory floor, workers cheering. His legal win over Chen sealed, the rival's fraud rant at Palo Alto a final flop, X burying it under Tesla's triumph. Chen faced bankruptcy, his EV prototype scrapped, investors gone, his taunts dust. Musk called his team, planning a global push, his voice firm, eyes on expansion, Shanghai and Berlin plants doubling output, the empire roaring back stronger. Wall Street toasted the rebound, Tesla stock climbing 15% more, $45 billion flooding in. Musk's fortune topping $377.7 billion, beating his 2024 peak. Analysts on CNBC hailing the turnaround, Chen's name a punchline. Walz stayed quiet. Minnesota's Governor outshone, his TV dig a blip against Musk's rise. The billionaire stood in Austin scrolling X, fans chanting his name, the hacker lesson, the fighter badge. The dust settled, Tesla showrooms gleaming, Cybertrucks rolling out, Musk eyeing Mars next, his wealth secure, Chen a footnote, the drama. Done. He'd faced the storm, real losses, a fictional foe, and won, legacy intact, no loose ends. The world watched a titan stand taller, the clash over, a victory hard-earned and complete.